आम्ही जन्मल्यापासून लाईटच नाही इथं.
लाइट आती थी जाती थी, प्रॉब्लम होता था काफ़ी कुछ.
आणि मग आमचं सगळंच काम अडत होतं.
एक फांदी या सिस्टीमवर पडली असताना त्याच्या ट्यूब फुटल्या. मॅडमनं तातडीनं त्या संपूर्ण ट्यूब बदलून पुन्हा 1 दिवसातच ती तजवीज त्या ठिकाणी केली. ही आवर्जून मला उल्लेख करावासा वाटतो आणि त्यांचे आभार मानावेसे वाटतात.
Our companies, Unpa Engineering and Eno Solar Energy Private Limited, mainly aim to provide clean and safe energy at less cost to every individual in India with environment-friendly technology and products. Technocrats with vast global experience in the field of engineering and energy have established Unpa Engineering and Eno Solar Energy. We have the technology support of companies from the US and South Africa who are implementing diverse research programs in the field of engineering and energy. These companies, engaged in lighting up thousands of poor households globally, contribute a lot in enhancing our resolve. Unpa Engineering and Eno Solar Energy are engaged in planning, execution and commissioning for on-grid and off-grid type solar power generation projects and also provide consultancy for kilowatt and megawatt projects. Companies' vast reach can be judged from our various projects. These 4 bulbs powered by solar energy in the home of Meenatai Pawar living in Mulshi area are like angels of energy removing the darkness from a family's life. The solar energy operated pump set up on the well in Meenatai's farm is the wonder of 2 HP solar plant.
केव्हा वीज तुटेल माहिती नसतं. त्यासाठी शेतीला तर पाणी पाहिजे, त्याशिवाय शेती होणार नाही. म्हणून मी ही जगताप मंडळी माझ्या ओळखीचीच होती, त्यांच्याकडनं हे सोलरचं चौकशी करून बसवलं आहे पॅनल आणि त्यांनी खूप थोड्या जागेत आणि छान बसवलं आहे आणि ते खूप छान काम करतात.
आज फ़ोन किया तो कल सर्विस देने पहुंच जाती है तुरंत ही, और काफ़ी कुछ फ़ोन पे पूछते रहते हैं और हमें बहुत कुछ सिखा के जा चुके हैं, और सोलर बोलते एकदम बेस्ट है.
The rural patients visiting the hospital at Ampi for cataract surgeries has been illuminated in real sense due to solar energy. The company has set up 18 kilowatt project here. This has removed the obstacles during cataract surgeries due to lack of power. Importantly, now the hospital running totally on solar energy uses electricity as an alternate source only.
Now we don't even need to worry about the diesel and the monetary cost of it, considering all this is for free. The solar panels we don't even need a lot of maintenance for it. And it has become a boon in disguise for all of us for the operation part of it. I would genuinely like to thank Unpa Engineering for giving us this, for installing the solar panels out here without any issues. And it's been such a smooth installation that we haven't even realized that it has been installed.
Many villagers of Rure, adopted by Janaseva Foundation of Social Wonder, had not even seen electric bulbs. The company has shown them path of light by providing solar home kit in the home of 2 of the villagers.
राखेल नाही मिळाली, दिवस काय दिवस अंधारात तर पडत आम्ही काम करत असतो, तर या उजेडामुळे आम्हाला चांगलं वाटतंय.
As we are getting their feedback, the villagers are very happy. The people who did not see in their lifetime the electricity, now they are able to get electricity in their homes.
The company has taken up educating the societies, schools, colleges, hotels, banks and industrial areas on a mission mode. We are getting positive response, and Shahu College, situated at the base of Parvati Hill in Pune, is a best example of this. 4,600 LPD capacity solar unit for hot water has been set up on the building of the hostel.
अतिशय मुलांना आवडणारी आणि मुलांपेक्षाही मुलांच्या पालकांना जास्त भावलेली अशी ही सोलर सिस्टीम आहे. आणि त्यानुसार मुलं गरम पाण्याने आंघोळ करतात, वेळ पडली तर कपडेही धुतात. थंडीचा प्रश्न कमी झाला आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं ॲडमिशनच्या दृष्टीनेही आम्हाला त्याचा खूप फायदा झाला.
Also, some of the bungalow owners in the elite societies in Baner area have preferred using 100% solar energy. These spacious bungalows are truly illuminated with 2 kilowatt system.
माझ्या घरातली वीज ही सर्व सोलर सिस्टीमवर आहे. अगदी लाईट, फॅन, पाण्याचा पंप हे सर्व सोलर सिस्टीमवर आहे. त्यामुळे मला बिल 0 येतो.
The company has focused more on its product, Smart Solar Street Lamp, which will certainly benefit mainly the people living in rural areas. It's a totally integrated unit where solar panel, battery and LED lights are integrated in one unit, thus eliminating the risk of theft of batteries as well as with zero maintenance. Our country has abundant solar energy available, but we need to make people aware about it on large scale. For this, Unpa Engineering and Eno Solar Energy have committed themselves, and we are really proud to contribute for keeping environmental balance in our country.